Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be planting custard apple seeds. So basically what I did was a month ago I basically put some seeds of custard apple in soil, and now they are like this. So let's plant them. So first of all, you have to dig some holes in the soil. Try to make them evenly so that when the plants grow, the nutrients disperse equally. You can use any gloves or stick or a little shovel to make the holes. Now drop the seeds in them, one in each hole. And cover them nicely with some soil and water. Just that's it. In the last video, I planted some snake plant cuttings. Now it has been 1 week to it, so I thought to take them out of the soil. I think that the key of growing snake plant is the amount of water you give them. These cuttings, I think I have overwatered them. Many of them lived, but this one rotted. I hope that the living cuttings will give out roots soon. Thank you for watching.